Constant change. Isn't that what makes a business great? Change by itself is not enough. You must use that change to improve a business in a beneficial direction. In other words, guide your changes. Don't just change. You can do both of these things by using Toyota's continuous improvement program. Think of the advantages of applying 11 changes per year generated by everybody in the company. Just adopting that change would be a challenge. Toyota leverages change to create a competitive advantage. A study was performed counting every car model sold in the U.S. and determining which models were still owned by the original purchaser 15 years later. Toyota automobiles took 9 of the top 10 places. This dominance is enabled by continuous change. I am Jim Fitzgerald, a Lean Six Sigma Master Black Belt and Innovation Master. Let's take some time and overview how you can drive a culture of change into your business. It's not good enough to just improve. You must improve in a direction that will benefit the business to receive the most gain. There are 2 defined directions. The first is towards an unattainable vision. That vision could be, for example, the removal of all activities that do not add value. This gives a focus to improvement. The next direction is towards a challenge. A challenge is generally something you want to attain in a 2 to 3 year time frame. Movement towards that challenge will be in steps or stages. If you could do it all at once, it wouldn't be a challenge. Change represents an incremental movement forward. Think of the power you could build into your business if you had everyone in your business contributing to that forward direction. Many businesses look at continuous improvement as a non-strategic bolt-on effort. Continuous improvement is strategic and is part of a program. The capability of continuous improvement is enhanced greatly when it is part of your business culture of change. Implementing this change methodology relies upon every individual in your company. The implementation of the methodology starts slowly and then propagates rapidly. You start it with your most important value stream. Most businesses focus their organizational prowess on departments. This is in contrast to focusing on how a business brings value to a customer. A value stream transcends departments and starts with the customer order process and ends with the customer delivery process and includes all the processes between those two. A business is a system. The business system contains value streams and overhead departments such as IT and HR. The value streams contain processes, and processes contain value-added activities and non-value-added activities. Since non-value-added activities are the predominant activities, their removal is the best place to start. When you remove non-value-added activities, 3 things happen. 1. The process accelerates. 2. Cost decreases since you are doing less work. And 3. Quality increases because you handle the product or service less. Actively managing how your business delivers value gives you profound knowledge of your business system. In the next slide, I will overview the improvement trajectory. The improvement trajectory requires active management participation and an understanding of your value streams. You can determine your current condition and your current challenge or vision concurrently. Once these are defined, you will select your first target condition. There will be multiple target conditions as you move with time towards the challenge or vision. When you start marching from your current condition to your first target condition, you can see part of the way of the progression path. You can easily see how to improve towards the target condition up to the knowledge border. From the knowledge border to the target condition represents an unanticipated movement. This further movement is based upon your experience and where you have moved up to this point. If you are moving towards a challenge, then each target condition represents a movement towards that challenge. The time between target conditions is defined and is often just a couple of weeks. This represents how you continuously move towards a challenge or vision. Next, let's discuss the organizational structure that supports this. Continuous improvement can start with any of the individuals you see here. If your continuous improvement goal is a challenge, then it starts with a business goal. The program requires that everyone in this picture has the capability and responsibility to initiate change. There's one new position in this picture that you won't have if you don't currently have value streams. That is the position of value stream manager. This individual is responsible for value stream performance and improvement. They are armed with a value stream map which details metrics on every process in the value stream. This is the first person that will have a good idea on how to improve value stream performance. In this example, the value stream manager looks at the requirement of 50% value stream performance improvement in 2 years and believes, Though difficult, she can accomplish this in steps. She then gives the process manager a requirement that his process in the value stream improve by 20% in 3 weeks. The process manager passes along a requirement to his first operations person that they improve the process by 10% in 2 weeks. Each individual in this management structure constantly sets challenges and defines visions to keep everybody busy, thereby constantly changing towards improvement. Toyota calls this continuous improvement program Kata, continuous improvement, and policy propagation. Kata refers to habit as continuous improvement becomes second nature. Toyota also uses this to propagate their business policies. What makes Kata so powerful is that it is part of corporate culture. When you have change as a part of your culture, that becomes a key driver towards excellence. As individuals move from one target condition to another target condition, they are going to make mistakes. The key is that they will learn from those mistakes and use that information to improve. It is important that individuals are allowed to make mistakes without judgment. The whole process is a program, and I have not discussed communication, the concept of coach and learner, and the methodology to initiate the whole process. These are things that glue the whole program together. I am a Lean Six Sigma Master Black Belt and Innovation Master. I look forward to bringing a continuous improvement program to your business that institutionalizes change. Focused change in a business-defined direction moves your business towards greatness.